Has your child just started to read? Many parents struggle at this stage. Letters are learned, but reading feels hard. That's why we created the Complete Phonics book. This book covers everything your child needs: short vowels, blends, digraphs, vowel themes, R-controlled vowels, diphthongs, silent letters, and even syllables. Each page is simple, structured, and fun, so your child not only learns but also enjoys reading. And the best part, this is just one of the huge collection of books we have designed at Early Learning Books to help kids grow step by step into fluent, confident readers. Thousands of parents are already using these books to make learning at home easier and joyful. Don't wait, give your child the strongest reading foundation today. Order the Complete Phonics book now.